Hi guys, this is Vijay, your host. So today we are going to talk about the comparison. We will compare the encryption between the Telnet and SSH, and we will demonstrate the in lab, and we will see that which protocol is much more secure for the remote access of your device. So in this lab, we will delve into the comparison between the Telnet and SSH and highlighting their distinct security approaches and through practical demonstration, using the wireless, and we will illustrate the telnet transmission of data in plain text, exploring its vulnerabilities to interception, and conventionally we will showcase such encryption capabilities and safeguarding the sensitive information during transmission, and yeah. So basically, overall is what is the telnet and SSH we will try to understand, and what is the using of what is the total overall object of using these two protocols. Okay, so what is the telnet is so telnet is nothing. Telnet is a network protocol that allow the user to remotely access the computer over the network like internet, and it established that text-based communication session, enabling the user to interact with the remote system, as if they were directly connected. Telnet use the TCP/IP protocol suite for communication. The user can log in the remote computer or any devices or network devices using the Telnet by providing the credentials such as username, password, and once authenticated, they can access the application and data hosted on the remote machines or like that. For SSH or a secure cell, we also call that. The SSH is also called the secure cell in the network. This is also network protocol and suite of utilize just the used for the secure remote access and management of a computer over the secure network like internet and the other connection. So just like TCP works, TCP used for the remote access of the devices. Here SSH also work remotely, but the SSH typically is much more secure, and it use the TCP port 22, and the SSH and the Telnet use port 21. Okay. Then if we talk about how Telnet and SSH work, so Telnet is a client-based protocol that used to open the command line and on the remote computer and just access the data, whereas the SSH was developed to replace the insecure terminal emulation and the login program like Telnet, relogin and RSH, this kind of. I would not say both are secure, right? But though compared to the SSH Telnet, the SSH is much more secure. So Telnet and the SSH security, which one is the better one? So Telnet security is a compromised due to its abstract of encryption. So because the Telnet use the clear text to log in any devices and sends the clear text message between source and destination, and whereas SSH sends the encrypted method encrypted details during the process of remote logging between the source and destination. So if you see that I have a solution where I have this target machine. I will be accessing from this user machine. Okay, and in between I have attacker. Attacker is somewhere sitting in the network, and I will capture. I will try to hack the user. I will try to gather the information. If this user trying to do the SSH, what type of information attacker can get. If this user is trying to do the SS telnet, what type of information, what type of encryption we can get it, right? So I have a two machine, target machine, if you see that, and the attacker machine I have. So I will open the attacker machine very first. Okay, then I will enable the Wireshark on that. I will type Wireshark. Just give me a second. I will type wire SAC. If I say wire, okay, on the target machine, I will get the wire SAC, not on the attacker machine. This is that, I have wire SAC and I have this interface on the target machine. I have this interface, which is receiving all the, telnet SSH traffic from the remote access. So I will just try to enable the SSH, capture the interface. Okay, and if you see that there are a lot of traffic is sending between the source and destination. So what I will do here is, so to begin the capture, you can start it, but I will stop this and try to restart the capture without saving it. Okay, so if you see the lot of TCP IP packets are TLS packets are hitting on that. So what I will do here is I will go to the attacker machine. Okay, then I will open the terminal. Open the terminal. On the terminal, what I will try to do here is I will try to do telnet to my remote machine, which is 10.0.0.222. Okay, if you see that trying, so if you see that here, okay, so if you see that here, some sort of, if it is see that, come on, it should be opening the, asking the username password from the attacker machine, trying to open. It may, take few seconds, a minute, because it's virtual machine. Sometimes it takes time. If I go to the target machine, do I have any 21? If I open the target machine, something, okay. Let me see that why is the telnet is not working. Just give me a second, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So what I see here is the problem was I was trying to reach the wrong IP address on my target machine. I have different IP address. Okay. So let me restart all the capture. I will just start the capture without saving it. If I go to my target machine, if I see that telnet, this is the IP address, and give that student 123. This is my, so I'm able to log in the, my machine. If you see that, now if I see that, what is my username password? If I say that ls pwd, the home directory says that you are on the student password. Now, what I will do, I will just exit it. Same thing I will do here. If I go to the target machine, I type here telnet. If you see that a lot of telnet data is coming from this is the source machine 10.2.22.96. If I go and run the same command, IP address. If you see, this is my source machine, I have 97, and I have the telnet destination is 26.97, right? Now, same thing, what I will do here is I will do the SSH, then I will compare between telnet data and the SSH data. I will go to that attacker machine, then I will say that SSH student, the IP address for SSH is 10.2.26.128, right? Then say that it will ask your authentication prompt, where it will ask that do you have this SSH, or what label of authentication method you want to use, whether you want to use SAR 128, SAR. There is certain few authentication method which SSH try to use that. So I'm going to say that okay, I'm going to use SAR 256, which is the highest level of authentication key. Then I will say that student. Okay. Then the password I will use student 123. Okay. So you will see that I am also logged into the SSH. Okay. Now, same thing. If I say that lspwd, yeah, I'm logged in to this particular remote box. Now, if I go to the target machine, did I capture the SSH also? If I say SSH, okay, now SSH is also, I have captured it. Now, if you see here, that in the SSH packet, you will see that encryption packet, right? Between the client and the server. Who is the client? Client is the machine from where you are initiating the traffic. If I go to the telnet here, the telnet says that there is no encryption. This is protocol is data. A protocol is telnet, and the data is information is telnet data. Now, if I open the SSH first, okay, if I open any SSH packet, if I right click, if I open that follow TCP stream, show me the TCP packet. What is saying that? A lot of encrypted data is showing over here. Do you see any username password? I don't see any, but there is a lot of some an RSA method which has been used for encrypting the data between the source and destination, right? Now, same thing if I want to see that, but is it, this SSH is, the highest level of security? I would say that no, this is still breakable. But if you compare between the telnet and SSH, this is the much better compared to the telnet. If I go to the telnet option, telnet, okay, if I see the show me the follow the TCP stream, if I open the packet, what do you see that here? Saying that the login is student, okay, and this is the password. So clearly, if I open the TCP packet of the telnet traffic protocol, I will be able to find the password. If anyone able to capture my telnet packet, they will able to see the password. Okay, and what if you see that all the command which has been executed where this password has been set, everything is captured over here. Now, if someone try to access the SSH traffic, they might find some sort of difficulties to decrypt those packets. Okay, so this is the so in conclusion is we have covered the concept of the telnet and SSH, understanding of their functionality, and through that we have demonstrated that a clear distinction between the two protocol, where SSH is encrypts the data and ensure that the secure transmission, while the telnet transmission data in plain text format, leaving the vulnerable to intercept your traffic between the source and destination. And yeah, this is all about the telnet and SSH comparison. Hope this is useful for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next session.